Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your membership with LA Fitness easy tutorial step by step clearly. To cancel your membership with LA Fitness, start by gathering your membership information. Ensure you have your membership number and personal identification ready. Visit the LA Fitness website or open the mobile app on your device. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the My Account section. Look for the Membership tab on the account dashboard. In the Membership section, find the option to cancel your membership. Read through any terms and conditions related to cancellation. If you agree, proceed to select the cancellation option. Follow the prompts to complete the cancellation process. You may be asked to provide a reason for your cancellation. After submitting your cancellation request, check for a confirmation email. This email will include details about the cancellation and any final charges. If you prefer to cancel over the phone, locate the customer service number on the website. Call the number during business hours to speak with a representative. Be prepared to verify your identity and membership details. Request cancellation during the call and follow any instructions given. Keep a record of the cancellation confirmation provided by the representative. Lastly, ensure that you check your bank statements for any further charges. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.